Hello everybody, Fotoman here, and today we are at Whitecreek School, which was originally built in 1906. I did meet the owner, the current owner, and his son, very nice people, and they have done, with help from grants, quite a bit of work restoration-wise on the school, such as a new roof, which even though it's different material, it is very similar to the original material. They've tried to keep any upgrades as original as possible. For instance, the windows are not original, but they are the very same shape and very same style of windows. So very nice to see the heritage value and the heritage look of everything being kept. As with all of the old schools I will put the history from our favorite school book, Pioneering with a Piece of Chalk, in the description for you to read. That has some very, very interesting information on a lot of these schools. So thanks again for tuning in to another video.